Okay, this is turning into a serious project, but it needs to be done. So I got this thing working. The chipper, shredder, vacuum. And I got, oh, wrong side. The new carburetor's in. There it is. Dun, dun, dun. Not mechanically inclined. Thank you, YouTube. And it runs. But I noticed the blades are wicked, wicked dull. So, after much YouTubing, there is a way to get the blades out from the other side, but it's hard to get access to everything in here. And I want to make sure everything's working, like the little claws that spin on the sides here aren't seized up too. So I'm just going to take the whole shroud off and expose the whole thing. Let's take a look. So I never work on vehicles or anything because, again, I'm not mechanically inclined. When I get to bust out this baby, oh yeah, look at that. Cool. Using the air wrench, nope. Air thing, yeah, it works great. Get it? Okay, so I got the cover off. So these two big bolts here go all the way through. Actually, this is a separate piece. So I'll take that, put it over here for now. Remember where that goes. I took pictures too, of course. Yeah. So these are the guys I want to make sure are loose and not broken. Yeah, looks good in here. Now see, it's way easier to get at these guys now. You get the blades off through the porthole at the front. Alright, let's see if I can get them off. Alright, so I stuck a board in here so this thing isn't moving around on me. And under here, if you can see, there's my two bolts. 1, 2, that one's on there now. And hopefully, there we go. Yay. Because if you try and get it off the front with one of these, you're definitely going to strip it. So now that it's loose, I can just hold it from the front and loosen it from the back. Stick this in the front, from the back. Don't lose it in the grass or in the machine. Come on, lock washer there. There we go, there's the back end. And the blade is gonna fall down in the bottom, which is fine. I have the front open. Put this guy back on so I can't lose it. And my handy dandy case here. Don't lose anything, because sometimes I'm a doughhead. Alright. There's the blades. No. The grinder, give them a quick sharpen. Keeping the same bevel. Let's go. Well, I was going to take it into my workshop in the garage, use my grinder, but I'm going to use this axe file instead on the, not the coarse side, but the fine side. Then just keep that same beveled edge. Okay, forget the file. Let's go power tool. There we go. All nice and sharp. This one's kind of rough, but I'll probably have to order a new one. Not very expensive. This was used, so I'm sure it's probably what it looked like. Never been sharpened before. So let's stick them back on and see if I remember how to put this thing back together. Okay, that took way longer than I thought, but as usual, I'm actually gonna put back together. I just have to put that back on, which is just 3 wing nuts, no issues. Should be nice and sharp. So I'll try out some chipping tomorrow. And there it is. Hopefully it doesn't explode when I'm done. Oh, she worked like a charm. Look at this. I took those 2-inch branches I had, made everything into beautiful, wonderful mulch. There you go. So sharpening your blades every 10 hours of work makes all the difference.